Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I am going to teach you exercise number 4.2 quadratic equation, question number 22. How to solve this equation? First of all, we will check the midterm. Midterm is x square, so we will divide the whole equation by x square. If these powers are in the form of order, then we will check the midterm. And if this variable power is not written in the order form, then first of all we will write in the order form. Order form means x4, x3, x2, x1, x0. So this is in the form of order 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So we will divide the whole term with this midterm is x square, only x square. So dividing this we named as equation 1, dividing by x square. So we will divide whole equation with x square plus 3x cube divided by x square minus 4x square divided by x square minus 3x divided by x square plus 2 divided by x square is equal to 0 divided by x square. x4, when variable in the form of this, so power in the form of this, so we'll write variable base one time and 4 as it is, and when we take this power in the numerator, this positive sign becomes negative, so 4 minus 2 becomes 2. So 2x square plus 3x, 3 minus 2 becomes x, minus x square and x square cancel, 4 is left, 3 by x, 2 is greater, and we take in the denominator 1. 2 minus 1 becomes 1 plus 2 by x square, and any number, any variable, anything divided by 0, what it gives? 0. So this is, and this variables have same variable power, so we'll write in this form plus 3x and 3 by x, minus 3 by x and minus 4 equal to 0. Now 2 is common, but we'll get x square plus 1 by x square plus 3 is common, but we get x minus 1 by x minus 4 as it is equal to 0. Now we consider this term, and consider this term, we will approach this term. So let x minus 1 by x is equal to y. We want to find the value of x square, so how to find? By taking square, by taking square on both sides. So x minus 1 by x whole square is equal to y square. What we get? A minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So we apply here this formula, a square, this we consider as a, and this term we consider as b. A square plus b, b is 1 by x, b square minus 2a, a is x and b is 1 by x, so is equal to y square. x square plus 1 by x square become x square plus 1 by x square. Now minus x and x cancel, minus 2 is left is equal to y square. So we want only x square plus 1 by x square, so we'll take minus 2 at the right side. X square plus 1 by x square is equal to y square. Minus 2 becomes positive 2 when taking the right side. So this equation named as 2. So put the values of x minus 1 by x is equal to y, this, and x square plus 1 by x square in equation to y square plus 2. So by putting values in equation 2 we get what we get 2 x square plus y square is equal to y square plus 2, and plus 3 x minus 1 by x is equal to y minus 4 equal to 0. Now we solve this equation. 2y square plus 2 is 4 plus 3y minus 4 equal to 0. Plus 4 negative 4. So 2y square plus 3y is equal to 0. So y is common, but we get 2y plus 3 is equal to 0. So first time wall y is equal to 0, and next time we will take 2y plus 3 is equal to 0. And 2y is equal to positive 3 when taking the right side, positive becomes negative 3. Y is equal to minus 3 by 2. 2 is divided by both sides, y is equal to minus 3. But we consider x because question in the form of x, so we consider again y is equal to x minus 1 by x. Here we can see that x minus, we suppose this term, and again we will back to this. Put the value y is equal to x minus 1 by x. So first of all we will take y, x minus 1 by x is equal to 0. Next time we will take x minus 1 by x is equal to minus 3 by 2. So x, by taking LCM, we will divide the whole equation by x. X square minus 1 equal to 0. So x square minus 1 becomes x square minus 1 square is equal to 0. So x minus 1 and x plus 1. A square minus b square. Here we apply a formula of a square minus b square, but we will get a plus b into a minus b. So 0 divided by any term we get 0. So is equal to 0. First of all take x minus 1 equal to 0. Next time we will put x plus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 1 become positive 1. Positive minus 1. Now we solve this term. 2 and x both are LCM, so we multiply whole equation with 2x. Minus 1 by x, 2x is equal to minus 3 by 2 into 2x. 2 and x are LCM. So x and x cancel, 2 and 2 cancel, but we get 2x square minus 1 is equal to minus 3x. 2x square negative 3x become positive 3x minus 1 equal to 0. So 2 minus we can see 2x square minus 2 ones are 2, sorry, 2 ones are 2 minus 3x and minus 2. So we will make the factor by making the midterm. 2 2s are 4, so 3. 2x square plus 4x minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. 2x is common, x is left plus 2 is left, minus 1 is common, minus minus plus x, minus minus become positive 2 is equal to 0. So x plus 2 is equal x plus 2 into 2x minus 1 equal to 0. First of all, x plus 2 is equal to 0. Next time we will take 2x minus 1 equal to 0. So x plus 2 becomes x is equal to minus 2 and 2x is equal to negative 2. Become positive and take in the right side, and x is equal to 1 by 2. So our solution set becomes is equal to 1, negative 1, negative 2 and 1 by 2. This is our solution set.